Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Samsung account is signed in on the lost device and Find My Mobile is enabled. This allows remote location and actions. Once done, open Find My Mobile. Samsung. Com on a secondary device or log in via the Find My Mobile app. Sign in with the same Samsung account so the service can query the phone. Make sure you have stable internet and the phone's battery status. This determines which remote features will work. Once logged in, use Locate to ping the phone and display its GPS position on the map. This tells you where to go. If the phone is online, immediately choose Lock to prevent access and set a contact message and phone number on the lock screen so a finder can call you. Then enable Ring at full volume to help you locate it nearby. If the device shows offline, retrieve its last seen time and prepare to check areas it reported before losing connection. You finish by choosing Recovery or Protection. If the map and Ring confirm it's nearby, approach safely and attempt to retrieve it in a public place. Make sure someone accompanies you. If it appears stolen or unrecoverable, use Retrieve calls or messages first, then use Erase to protect data only when necessary because erasing disables further tracking. If the phone is offline, make sure Notify when found is enabled and check your Samsung.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.